the Knowledge Zone presents the 5 best carpal tunnel brace for sleeping. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. Copper Joint Copper Wrist Support. If you prefer a more flexible hand brace option, go with the Copper Joint Copper Wrist Support. This practical compression sleeve features breathable high-performance fabric that helps to maintain optimal joint temperature for proper healing. The fabric is also anti-itch, UPF 50+ and gentle enough to prevent irritation or chafing. Ideal for all day and night use, the wrist support will keep you dry and comfortable during use. Coming of our list at number 4. Futuro Reversible Splint Wrist. Futuro offers an adjustable reversible support splint wrist brace. Rated as a moderate support and stability brace, the latex-free, breathable material is both durable and lightweight. Users that have experienced braces that don't offer true size customization will love this Futuro product. 3 hooks and loops allow you to adjust the fit to your wrist's needs. It's simple and easy. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. ProCare Quick Fit II Wrist Support Brace. The ProCare Quick Fit II Wrist Support Brace is a universal functional wrist arthrosis for the treatment of wrist and hand injuries and trauma. Designed with a single pull lace and a soft nylon and foam laminate which offers premium comfort. An adjustable malleable dorsal stay pod can be placed in the proper location for maximum immobilization or removed completely during rehabilitation. The ProCare Quick Fit II Wrist Support Brace has a unique contoured palmar stay that provides proper anatomical fit, allowing full finger dexterity and may be contoured as needed to address a variety of indications. Nearing the top of our list at number 2. A CE Deluxe Wrist Brace. What makes this brace perfect for anyone seeking wrist support is the use of the triple strap system that allows for maximum comfort. The product also allows the user to adjust the size of the brace to their wrist. The palm is cushioned and there is a contoured split added for increased stability and immobilization. A unique feature of this brace is the neoprene material used. What this material does is resist odors and increase blood circulation to the body. And coming in at number 1 of our list. Wellgate for Women Perfect Fit Wrist Support. Wellgate for Women Perfect Fit Wrist Support helps relieve pain from carpal tunnel syndrome, wrist sprains and strains, arthritis and tendinitis. This product is for the right hand and is a one-size adjustable product. The super soft fabrics and soothing memory foam provide intensive comfort. The sleek, slim-fit design fits under women's clothing and is ideal for use at the computer, while sleeping or for everyday use. This product has 2 firm stabilizers for support and is made from lightweight, breathable materials. For more information, check out the description underneath the video.
Thanks for watching our video. For more, subscribe to our channel.